Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok C. Jala. In this session we learn mathematical function or math function, we can say that, in C language. So first I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch my video better way. And here turbo C++, I just double click and take some time process, and now yes is open. Alt F file menu and taking new file, and here our goal maths, yes, maths function. So maths, there are so many functions, but we can take more use in our programming. That type of we can use. So that is a first here, that syntax we have to see. So that is in here we can first see in help menu. So here that ABS absolute. So there, yes, that is get the absolute value of an integer value. So here that syntax integer and return also integer. So that syntax is integer ABS, and we can also pass in the integer value like X. So that is a syntax. And second of this file we can take two, and that I just open first comment so we can easily understand, and that is a we can say that double. Okay, double. Okay, so double is a keyword, yes, and F ABS F float absolute value, that meaning. So here we can also pass the in parenthesis uh, double and any value like here we can pass A or X. Okay, so here I just write comment line, and here that is known as a syntax. You have to know very well that is a syntax. So in this file, first we have to write IO stream header file in standard input output, and then conio.h console input output, and third header file that require to math.h. Yes, so that is a mathematical function we have to use, and here first we have to use two pair. Okay. So integer absolute, absolute means positive value, so negative value converting the positive value. So here first I take like X, yes, and one is a float like P. Okay, so we can also initialize that like minus 10, and here like minus pi value minus. So clear the screen. You can also scan from user side, but there is no required here. You can just yes int we can say that absolute value is int absolute value percentage d, and here abs, that comma operator, and then we can pass our x value, and then I just copy and paste to our p value pi, and that is a f abs, and we can pass the p pi value, and here you have to know that is lf float long. Also we can here take the double, so that is also possible. You can float, but here we can double, and get ch, yes, that is required. And now first I save this file, so we can say that math and fun1, that is first pair we have to use, and dot c. Okay, so that is a already there, so we can give some different name. So math fun, not 8 character maximum you have to, so fu1, yes, and dot c. So that is save, and then compile, yes, there is a that exe file is generated, yes, and run. So yes, we have to provide /n. So integer absolute value is 10, and that message also change in float or double. Here you can change also message. Here is a double or float and /n. So look better, or we can see easily. Yes, so Int's absolute value is 10, that minus 10 to convert in positive value, and then minus pi value 14, 15, that is to convert in positive value. And also we can restrict the after decimal point here, uh, dot 2f. So that is a width, yes, that only print 2 after, yes, 14.15, that 2 after point, that is 2 decimal point. Okay, so yes, and you can also here scan value, like you have to know very well. He gave, I just remove the static value, and from user side you can just scan first, like give the message, enter x value, yes, and scanf function use. So that is very easy. Percentage d and ampersand x, and then just copy and paste. So here we can say that enter p as a, or here also we can say enter int x value, and here, or we can say that double p value. So here p and then lf, yes. So we can scan, yes, there is no any error. So we can runtime choice. So I give 5 minus 5 negative value, and minus 9.5 any value. So both are absolute value, positive value. Okay. So that is a first, we have to take two, and that also we have to write. Just first check that syntax, ABS we have to check in help, but we can say the F ABS absolute. Yes, that is a here. Yes, that the same in here is a F. Yes, that is long double. Yes, so long double you can also take. Okay, there is no any error. But our, yes, no, there is no only long, that is a f abs l is there, we cannot use this, only that is a perfect, our syntax is there. Okay, so that first part. Okay, now I, what happened, we can use another two pair, and I just save as, so this benefit. So our save all function, so maths fun2 fu2.c, and now we can change the syntax. So now we can use the double return data type. So I just remove this first syntax, so you can watch easily. So here I all remove this, and double is return data type, and here ceiling, yes, ceiling and floor we have to use. So double, that is a pass in the double, yes, a, and then same syntax, I double, then floor. So floor is a, yes, and then pass one double, yes, and we can pass is a. So that is a syntax I write in comment line. Yes, now comment, and here we cannot take integer value. Okay, so here I take x and floor, and only one variable. Yes, and that is required, and here I just double. So sometimes what happen, we can use in all one file all mathematical function, so one function disturb to other output, so we can take separate file, that is my goal. So here we can change our file, yes, and here I just remove this, and we can take the first uh, ceiling ceiling value. Okay, already value is there, so value is, so percentage, yes, long l f, and here we can use the ceiling, yes, and pass the x, yes, ready, and here we can use floor. You can first initialize and then print, that also possible, but we can directly first print. So both I see in this session. So floor, and here two, yes, here we can also provide two. First one is not provided, we can say the what is output, and then we can provide. So here floor, yes, you have to know, floor is a, ceiling is a rounding up and floor is rounding down. So here let us check first x value. We can directly use in printf. We can also take one variable and that print also possible. Okay, so yes, there is no any error, but we can change here, yes, formatting symbol, because that x is now float we have to take. So lf, yes, so otherwise they taking some error in runtime, that logical error is there. But now is okay. We have 2, yes. So what happened here is typing 9. So I F2, yes, and compile, yes, there is no error. And we can pass 142, 143 and dot 45. So what value? So in ceiling is a rounding up, that up value. So that is 124, and floor is a round down. So that is 123. So fraction part is truncated, means that is not, in fact rules is a 50 or 10 to 1 to 50, that is not rounding, but 51 to above any value, that is rounding. But here that is a ceiling is always rounding one value at like 124, that rounding one value, and floor is not that rounding, because that down and that up. So we can say the syntax in help library, so we can understand that definition. So I just type ceiling. So here ceiling, ceiling, yes, and floor. So that syntax, yes, that is first two, and that remarks the find the smallest integer not, and here that floor. So that yes, floor and ceiling is there. So both floor and ceiling return integer uh, found as double. So we can pass the double. Yes, that syntax is double, and also pass the argument as a double. So that is a rounding up. Yes, here is a writing. So here you can look round up, and here round down. So okay. So floor and ceiling, and also that is possible. I just show you. So here we can take one r variable, and one we can use like r, and we can ceiling, yes, and then take x. So yes, then semicolon, and also here same variable r and floor. So we can directly use that in printf function. So that is a floor and pass x. So here we can print not that function directly, because that is written double type. So we can directly print. And here we can take one r variable and print one by one. So yes, there is no any error. And we can pass as previously our value or any other value. There is no problem. Like we can pass 15 uh, 159, and then we can 55. What happened? Let us check. 55 give the value after dot. So here that is a 60, ceiling is a up, and floor is a as it is, that is a truncated 55. Okay. So, and also we can see the see our output, that is a ceiling is a 6 decimal after 6 0, but here floor is only 2, because we have to restrict here dot 2, that only 2 decimals. So here we can also take that 2 decimal point. Okay. So there is now okay, and also you can print here directly in our previous technique. There is no any error. So that is a second two. We can see the first ABS and FABS, that ceiling and floor. I save again these files, and that maths font.t.c file. Yes. Now we can take the pair. I just list out power and square. So that is also power is a, yes, that we can say the first syntax, so we can easily power. Yes, so that is a power function x to y. Yes, and then return type double and power to x and y. Yes, so and square. Yes, here is not square. So alter f1, we can previous index, and then s square root, sqrt square. Okay, so calculate the square root. Okay, and that syntax double square and pass the double. So both are similar syntax. So I can take that type of pair. Okay, I first open this comment line, and here I just remove the ceiling and power, and here 2x, and we can say that double y, and here there is only one, and here I write the square root, sqrt square, that is, and here okay, a we have to say that is syntax. So you can also write the syntax and take by one. Okay, now we can here take the x, so y, and we can pass the x and also pass the y value. Okay, both, because, and also you can take the static, there is no any problem. So x and y, and here we can also third variable like r. Yes, so that is also, and you can also directly print a print. So here r, and you can take the power. Yes, power and x upon y, that is so here the power x y value is okay. So here we can print the r. Yes, that is r. And now we can use directly, not taking r variable, directly here take the square root sqrt, and we can pass any one. So we can pass like x, or we can take other variable also, that is possibility. But let us check. Yes, first any change is required, otherwise taking error. Yes, first compile, there is no any error. So power we can take 2 raised to 5 power, so that is answer. Yes, we can change the message. Yes, that is remaining. So 32 is right, and floor that value we cannot change the message, so that is a square root 32. So that is, yes, so some we can difference. So 8, yes, first we can change the message according to here. We can take the y. Yes, that is perfect. And here not floor value, but now square root value is, yes, and we can take some different variables. So like, and directly static value also we can pass. Okay, let us check that print or not square root. So 25 square root is a 5. Yes, so first 2 raised to 5, that is a 32. Yes, and 25 square root is a 5. We can pass the static value, and also you can take the dynamic value, there is no problem. So here we can take like a z variable, and just scan. I just copy and paste. Yes, so that is very easy. We can already one pair define perfect. Then we can call two other function we have to as it is used. So here I just pass the z value, and also possible you can use like the r and then square root and pass the like here z. That is also possible. So here I remove and print our r variable, so that is also possible. So it's very simple way. So now there is third pair. So total we can learn the 6 first abs, fabs, then ceiling and floor, and now power and square root. Okay, so here I take some different like 3 upon 5, and we can 125, so that is a square root. Okay, so that is overflow value, so that not give answer perfectly, but square root is 11.18. So power function is not work perfectly. Sometimes that happen in mathematical, two function use same time that conflict each other. So in our previous output there is no any error, but now taking error. So what happened, what to do in this situation? So yes, let us check, otherwise you can come out editor and then reopen, that is also possible. Now yes, and here I take some different value. So like uh, 27. Yes, so that is a 339. Yes, 9 is there, 80 64. So that is square root. Yes, so 8 is perfect, but power function is disturbed. So what to do? I just close this file. Sometimes that is happen in that editor. So quit and I reopen. That is only one way solution, because sometimes power function not work, overflow that value. So also you can use the flush function, but here that we can first check this technique. So that is a only one way. Now we can open our file, and that maths and font 3, yes, that our file. And now I same program, not any change. I compile and then run. So what happened? Yes. So here we can give like 3 raised to 5. Yes. So what happened? Yes, and that is a 64 we have to pass last time. So here I like 81. So yes, so 9, and that now complete that perfect giving the output. So 3 upon 5 is 243. That is a upon. So that is sometime giving the overflow. So we can just come out editor and then compile it. Or otherwise you can also use the flush function. That also possibility. Okay, so now that is a two pair we can see, and now I just save as yes. Next, maths fun 4, yes, 4.c. So here I again open the syntax, yes, and now we can take the F mode, yes, that is a F mode. Simple our module operator giving the reminder of integer value, but F mode giving the reminder of double. So we can reminder find out. So I think we can see the double and double, that syntax is ready, F mode, and we can pass two value and return also double is there. And next we can use the long, yes, log, yes, long, log our in like in 10 standard we can log table use that that is the same here we can use log. Okay, so yes, that is complete that syntax I think. Yes, so also checked in help window. So first is a F mode. So that calculate x modulo means reminder y and reminder to x divided by y. Yes, that syntax double. Yes, return type double. Declaration is here. So double x and double y. That is we can write correct form. And then I open the log. Yes, so log is syntax. Yes, log and logl is there, and then syntax is here. Yes, so that is also perfect. Log and passing double and returning the double value. Okay, log. So yes, so we can see our some value in log table and then we can apply. So that is a better way. Okay, now here that is a use the we can F mod. Yes, so X Y scanning. First, yes, I remove this. Yes, we can first comment line. So first we can see the F mode function only, and then we can open this square or means we can log. Yes, now ready and X. Okay, now and we can here not power, but modulo value X and Y, or we can say that reminder also. So modulo value is R. Yes, let us check. So float mode reminder is giving. So I give the 5, yes, 5.0, that is a double or a float value, and 2.0, that is reminder 1. Yes, that is giving perfect. So sometime in our coding that is required to, we cannot take like module operator in float data type. That is a rules you have to not know. So integer data type not giving the reminder of float value. So we can that type of situation in our programming is required. We can use F mode. F mode is giving the float reminder. That is very important function. Sometimes we can use in our coding part. So here now I open the Z, and here also, and here we can log. Just so log, and here print the log value. Yes, so I remove, and here all, yes, already all are well. So first I see the log table in my book. So that type of value I enter. So I see my log book. Yes, I take the log book and here search the log. Yes, so I uh, yes 8.5628. Yes, so I enter this, and that is F mode. We can take any value. So like 9.0, that is a F mode, and reminder. So we can take like 2.0. So what is a reminder? Yes, but we can like, yes, our log table is a 8.56 and 24. That is a log. So that giving the 2.1474. That is answer. Yes. So yes, 2 point, that is rounding. So 2.15. But if we open our decimal point, so that is 2.1474. Yes, let us check. And modulo is giving the perfect our one. Yes. So yes, now I here give the 4 after the decimal, so we can look over all log value perfectly. So I give again same value 9 and 2.0, yes, and then again give the same value 8.56 and 24. So that is give, I first give the answer. Module is a 1 and our log value is a 2.1474. Yes. So yes, perfectly give 2.1474. Yes. So that is a, we can check the log table. That time log function we have to use. So that is benefit for our. Okay, so that is a fourth pair. So we can use the 8 functions. So one file we can use 2 functions. In my Neuro publication book, I take every single function I take in one example in my book. Or in C, that is book in the problem solving methodology and programming in C, and Neuro publication Ahmedabad, and myself as an author in this book. So BCSM1, that book is used. Okay, that is a textbook, not a reference book. All your syllabus cover in on one book. Okay, so you can also read this book. Okay, now we can. I just save. Yes, last pair we can so many functions as it is we have to use. So now I last time save as, and that fun file and dot c is there. Yes, function, and now I use the function is a name div division. So yes, div division, and that we have to pass the integer. So I, yes, first I open the syntax so you can see easily, and that also return data type is a, that is a div and dot t, that division type, and here you can also pass the integer y. Yes, and then second is a exponent value, so that is a double, and exp, yes, that function name, and also that is a double. Yes, that syntax is correct. So first I check the div division. Yes, div. So division to integer. Yes, that is, and that yes, return type is div. That is a return data type inbuilt. That is a div underscore t type, and then integer, and that is number, and that is diamond. Okay, so here two number and return both quotation and reminder. So that is coefficient, that is a, we can say that our module operators, that same time reminder also we have to print. And also here one example is there, so that yes, we can div that type of declaration. Okay, so I just comment line, and here first we can pass two integers, so I just remove this double and taking integer x and y, and other floor double, that is our z. Yes, and also we can take r, and also one that is a name is a div underscore t type answer is there, so that is a div inbuilt, that is a, that type is there. So here I again use one reference, my book itself. So that is I giving one perfect example of this function. So I use that my book itself. So that is I give the reference. So here we can above the main, not here we have to declare here, and after that I here in between that we have to declare, that is a rules. So div, yes, and answer is there, and then xy I can scan, and taking here that I remove. First we can only one function in this, very important, so I comment line, and here I give the answer, and then div, yes, that is, I think full form is a, the use of this function is divide two integer and give the quotation and value and reminder value. So that syntax we have to write, and now we can use divx and then print answer. So print answer, that time we can take care, I first remove the comment line, and here we can give the suitable message. The x divide by y, yes, that happen, and divisible operation is that, and value is there. Okay, what is there? So one, yes, divided, and then value is percentage d, not here, yes, all are here, percentage d, and then reminder, yes, reminder, yes, and then again percentage d, so division value and reminder value, and here how to print answer dot, that is automatically that two member quote, and then answer, yes, answer, and then reminder rem, that is inbuilt that member. So that is a, we have to not ourselves, that give automatically, let us and that is example 2 by 5. Yes, first what happened, yes, that declaration should not happen here. So yes, that is sometime giving, yes, that library, yes, needed, and that is a, you can take stdl lib, standard library. Okay, standard library, that full form. So yes, that not and taking any error, because that is a, I see you in help library. So here div, yes, and that is a std, yes, that library needed. So so we can divide it to integer number, and that is type, that inbuilt type, yes. So div underscore t type, so giving the quotation and reminder value, yes. How, let us check first, there is no error. So yes, we can use the scanf, and here I yes, that is wrong, here we can pass the d, yes, so that taking wrong answer. So yes, compile and run. Yes, now is okay. 5 and 2. Yes, message also change, that is integer value. And then x divided by value is 2. So and reminder is 1. So 2 2s are 4. So that is a divisible value, and reminder is 1. Yes, 2 divided by 5. So that is give both value. Our divisible answer and reminder value. That is a very important function, div, divisible. That full form is divisible. Okay, so here we can just change the message int x, yes, and int y, yes. So sometimes that we cannot understand what is, that is inbuilt, like inbuilt function is there, divide underscore t, that is type of answer, and then we can here directly use that answer dot quote cout and reminder, both divisible, and that give the value. Okay, and now we can last our function, and that is a double. So here we can pass the, yes, now I open this comment line, and here we can take the, I pass this all this in next, not before the get ch. Okay, and now here we can first take the r, yes, and then exp, exponent value, and we can pass the z and print the r, that is I just open this comment line. So not modulo, that is a exponent value. So that is also I take my book reference, and that is the same, that my book is I taking one, every function one example in my book. So I take my book itself as a reference, so there is no any problem. So I give perfect taking giving the value, and also taking the answer of that function. So here that function name is a exp, exponent value. So I search, yes, it is open. So yes, that I give the example 2.0, and that exponent value 7.39. So here I use the answer, yes. So yes, we can print the value of answer, and that is a exponent value. So here expo, just not a exponent, en til, yes. So I give the same value in my reference book or my textbook, you can say that, not reference. And I just remove this line, Yes, so you can both better way watch. Yes, there is no any error. Exponent value. Yes, so we can pass my book reference. So 2, and that is a that divisible. So and now I turn 2.0. So that value just slash n. Yes, that is giving the 7.39. That exponent value. So we can put here slash n. That is better. Here is there, but here is not required. But here is required. Okay, now I give again same value. So here 5 and 2, and then double, that is z is a double, so 2.0. So that giving the 7.39 answer, that exponent value. So that exponent form. So that is we can, and also yes, so that is a divisible value 2 and remainder 5 we can see. So here we can use the tan function, that is a fifth file we can save as, and all our file is a save. Yes, yeah, that is a benefit in save as. So you have to know very well, I think. So matfun1, mat2, 3, 4, 5, all file is saved separately. Okay, and every file I take two math function. In my textbooks of neuro publication, the one function give the one example. So very hard work in my book, I take that example. Okay, so you can also reference that book, refer this book. That is a in your syllabus point is a my chapter point. So that is a textbook for your, not a reference book. All syllabus cover in one book, all theory and all practical also. Okay, we can see also help, and that is a exp. Yes, that is a here, and calculate e to the x the power of, that is meaning, and here that syntax, yes, double exp double, and exp the calculate exponent. Yes, so here is exponent function e double asterisk x. So that is a power, like power function, but that is exponent value. So here one example is also there, so you can also refer that that giving the one example. Okay, so here that pass 4.0. Yes, let us take 4.0, we have to pass in our example. So what value is that is not result. So I give the like 9 and 2. Yes, so that is giving the 4 and 1, I think. Yes, and here 4.0, that is exponent value. Yes, so 4 and 1, that is divisible by 4. The 2 4 to the 8, and remainder is 1. And then 4.0 exponent form is 54.60. So that is exponent value. Okay, so now so many cos theta, sine theta, that is also that type of function. But that is we can same way we have to use just sine theta, cos sine. All are that function is also in your syllabus. But now sufficient because there is a tan function and phi I'm taking. And you can also use my I again reminder you. So sine theta, cos theta, all function I mathematical across. Yes, that also in your syllabus. So all function like 14 up to function I cover in my book in math function. All function, string function, date and time function. Okay, extra miscellaneous function. You can say that. So all your syllabus covering. Okay, so thanks. Yes, write all these program to your note, and I close this file and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture. And any doubt for any this section or any programming in C or any other language, write in comment section. I give definitely answer. So thanks again, and Hare Krishna.